Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a sleek curly ponytail with a braided design at the top. So let's jump right into it. I'm starting by sectioning off this center portion of my hair. I am doing a curved part, so starting at the inner portion of my eyebrow, I guess, and then curving it around to the middle. Then I'm going to clip that hair out the way and repeat the same steps on the other side. I pin my middle section out of the way, and then I'm going to part another small slither outlining that initial curved part, and this is going to be for my first braid. So I'm using the Shine and Jam edge control, and I'm just going to take some of that and apply it around my parting area just to smooth that section together before I start braiding. And then I'm going to start at that front piece and just begin to do a small cornrow all the way to the center of my head. And then I'm going to repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So this next step is going to be completely optional, but I'm going to be doing one feed-in braid down the middle. So I'm just going to flat iron, run the flat iron through this section right here. I'm not getting my hair bone straight, but I am just kind of smoothing it out a little bit so that it is easier to braid. My hair is pretty thick, and braiding thick hair into one braid can be a little tedious when the hair isn't kind of fully detangled and smoothed out. So that's what I'm just doing here to that middle section. And then I'm going to take some braiding hair. I'm cutting it in half. You don't need a lot of braiding hair. This was just to make the braid a little fuller. And then I'm going to section it off into small portions to feed in. So I'm going to take some more of that jam and smooth the hair towards the middle on each side. Again, we want this to be smooth and easy to braid. So I'm just taking my comb and kind of smoothing the hair to the middle before I start to braid. So I'm going to take a small section at the front, and then I'm just going to begin to braid and feed in those little pieces of hair as I go. I'm not the best when explaining how to feed in hair because I'm still a little rusty at it. It's not like one of my expertise. So yeah, I'm just doing this as best as I can. And then I'm just going to make sure I braid that hair all the way to the end. And adding the braiding hair also allows for this braid to reach to my ponytail when we get to that part. So I'm just taking my comb again and just kind of making sure it's smoothed down. My braid got a little crooked, but I didn't feel like redoing it, so yeah, we're just going to ignore that. But now I'm going to start smoothing back the rest of my hair into a ponytail, again using that jam to help smooth it down. And I'm going to also use a hard bristle brush. And then I'm just going to secure it with a rubber band, and then I'm going to take my hair that's loose and braid it into one singular braid and secure it again with another rubber band. So next I'm going to take some styling foam and apply it all over the braided portion. This is just to kind of further set all of that hair and just to tame any frizz and flyaways. You can sit under a dryer, but I'm just going to tie my hair down, and I left it tied down overnight, and in the morning I finished the look. The hair I'm going to be using is my favorite curly hair for my ponytails. This is the same ponytail that I've been wearing for like the past year. This hair is a year old. This is the curly hair from Wiggins Hair. All the details on this hair will be left down below, but I'm just kind of fluffing it out a little bit because it's still kind of damp. But I'm just going to do my regular method where I wrap one end of the bundle around my ponytail and then just wrap the rest of the bundle around the ponytail. I've done this several times, so yeah, I'm still doing the same method. And then I always secure the end, the last piece, with a bobby pin. And because the hair was damp, it wasn't really giving me the fullness that I wanted. So I'm just going to take some more curly hair and wrap some more hair around my little braided ponytail. And then I'm going to take this braided portion and I'm just going to wrap it around the ponytail. If you want, you can pull this into your pony, like into your natural hair ponytail first, but I decided to wrap it around because I wanted like this braided design around my ponytail. So I'm taking these two crochet braids that I sewed together, and then I'm going to take that and wrap it around the base of the ponytail just to kind of look like that middle braid is wrapped around, if that makes sense. So yeah, I'm just taking this little crochet braid and just adding that for a little detail, and then I'm going to do my edges to kind of finish off this look. And so the hair still wasn't as full as I wanted it to be, so I'm just going to take my comb and kind of tease it out to make it bigger. I really just wanted like a big curly ponytail, but I don't know, it was kind of flat today, so I'm just kind of manipulating the hair some. But overall, that is the final look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you ladies next time. Bye.